Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about crystallography, types of symmetry, rotational symmetry. Now let's dive in our topic. Rotational symmetry. When an object is rotated in a particular direction around a point, then it is known as rotational symmetry or radial symmetry. Rotational symmetry existed when a shape turned and the shape is identical to the origin. The angle of rotational symmetry is the smallest angle at which the figure can be rotated to coincide with itself. The order of symmetry is how the object coincides with itself when it is in rotation. In geometry, many shapes consist of rotational symmetry. For example, the figures such as circle, square, rectangle have rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry can also be found in nature, for instance, in the petals of a flower. Below figure shows the rotational symmetry of a square along with the degrees of rotation. When a square rotated 90 degree, a same shape appear. If a figure is rotated around a center point and it still appears exactly as it did before the rotation, it is said to have rotational symmetry. A number of shapes like squares, circle, regular hexagon, etc. have rotational symmetry. There are many shapes you will see in geometry which are symmetrical rotationally, such as equilateral triangles, squares, rectangles, circles, regular polygons. Center of rotation. For a figure or object that has rotational symmetry, the fixed point around which the rotation occurs is called the center of rotation. Example, the center of rotation of a windmill in the center of the windmill from which its blades originate. Angle of rotational symmetry. For a figure or object that has rotational symmetry, the angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotation. Example, when a square is rotated by 90 degrees, it appears the same after rotation. So, the angle of rotation for a square is 90 degrees. In the same way, a regular hexagon has an angle of symmetry as 60 degrees. A regular pentagon has 72 degrees and so on. Order of rotational symmetry. The number of positions in which a figure can be rotated and still appears exactly as it did before the rotation is called the order of symmetry. For example, a star can be rotated 5 times along its tip and look at the same every time. Hence, its orders of symmetry is 5. If we consider the order of symmetry for regular hexagon, it is equal to 6, since it has 6 equal sides and is rotated with an angle of 60 degrees. Rotational symmetry letters. There are many capital letters of English alphabets which has symmetry when they are rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise about an axis. Some of them are Z, H, S, N, and O. When these letters are rotated 180 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise, the letters appears to be same. Example of rotational symmetry. The recycle logo has an order of symmetry 3. The paper windmill has an order of symmetry of 4. The triangle has an order of symmetry of 3. The saw stick symbol has an order of symmetry of 4. The roundabout road sign has an order of symmetry of 3. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe my channel Science Kick. Allah Hafiz.